I'm glad we have the Americano with us. The best thing that could have happened to us, you know. Because if either government starts an inquiry, we need every man we can get. I guess you know. To be at war with the Buxters now is worse than sitting on a big case of dynamite.
Where should we put this?
Put it over there.
Come on, everybody, drink up.
Good shooting. Very good shooting.
When you want to kill a man, you must shoot for his heart, and the Winchester is the best weapon.
That's very nice, but I'll stick with my 45.
When a man with a 45 meets a man with a rifle, the man with a pistol will be a dead man. That's an old Mexican proverb, and it's true.
You believe that? When a man with a 45 meets a man with a rifle, you said the man with a pistol's a dead man. Let's see if that's true. Go ahead, load up and shoot.